Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cotton candy on machine, full guide. Preheat your machine and clean the bowl before adding sugar. Start with a small scoop of sugar and wait for the spinner to warm. Hold the cone at a slight angle and collect strands with gentle circular motions. Build layers until you reach desired size, then shape with light, fast turns, and serve immediately for best texture and taste. Warm the machine gradually and double-check that the power cord is away from water. Wear a thin glove if you need to adjust the bowl while hot, and always use the scoop to measure sugar. Make sure the lid and spinner are locked before turning the unit on. Test a tiny amount of sugar to confirm proper heating, then proceed with full batches when the machine runs smoothly and emits consistent flossing strands. Start with steady, even rotations to catch thin strands and build an even cone shape. If using flavoring oil, mix it into sugar in small amounts to prevent clumps and overheating. For striped or multicolored cotton candy, use separate scoops and add them sequentially to the spinner, creating bands as you wrap. Finish by puffing the cone lightly to soften edges and serve immediately for the fluffiest texture and best flavor.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.